In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online by making your unwanted accounts inactive. This process is essential for maintaining a clean and organized account ledger, which can help streamline your financial reporting and simplify your bookkeeping tasks. First, let's log into QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. You'll want to go to qbo.intuit.com. Once you're on the page, enter your login credentials, that's usually your username and password, and sign in to your account. It's a simple step, but it sets the foundation for everything we'll be doing today. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to where the magic happens, the chart of accounts. Over on the left-hand side of your dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on the tab labeled Accounting and then select Chart of Accounts. This section serves as your digital filing cabinet, listing all the accounts that are currently active in your QuickBooks. With the Chart of Accounts open, your next task is to locate the specific account you want to make inactive. You can either scroll through the entire list, or if you're dealing with a lengthy list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find the account you're looking to manage. It's important to note here that if an account has associated transactions, you won't be able to delete it outright. However, you can still clean up your list by making that account inactive, which is what we'll do. To make an account inactive, look toward the action column on the right side of the account row. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click this arrow and select Make Inactive from the list of options that appears. A confirmation prompt will pop up to ensure this is what you want to do, so go ahead and click Yes. This step helps maintain a tidy and manageable chart of accounts by removing clutter without permanently deleting transaction data. Finally, it's time to verify that your account is now inactive. By default, inactive accounts aren't displayed, but it's easy to check them. Head over to the top of the chart of accounts page and click on the settings gear icon. In the drop-down menu, there's an option that says Include Inactive. By checking this box, you enable the display of all accounts, including those marked inactive. When you look through the list now, you'll notice that inactive accounts are clearly marked, making it straightforward to identify them when needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed your chart of accounts, ensuring you maintain a clean and efficient financial management system. Thank you for watching, and be sure to join us next time for more tips on harnessing the full power of QuickBooks Online.